topic is energy density of a capacitor. So you know this equation. Energy stored in a capacitor which is equal to half into CV square. Capacitance between two parallel plates can be written as C is equal to epsilon 0 A by D. So you can write here as half into epsilon 0 A by D into V square. Here we are going to calculate the energy density. So energy density means energy per volume. Here we can write energy is half into epsilon 0 A V square by D. Volume of the capacitor can be written as area into the distance. So we can write here it is half epsilon 0 A V square the whole divided by A into D square. This A and A cancel. And we know this equation. Electric field intensity E is equal to the potential gradient, that is potential with distance. So that V square by D square, that can be written as half into epsilon 0 into E square. This is the energy density. Energy density which is always equal to the square of the strength of electric field.
If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you in next class.